Alright, so we got the 99 Camaro back in that we dyno tuned last month. This car is kind of set up like a drag car. It's got a power glide, got a pretty stout rear end in it, and has a bone stock 6-liter truck engine, iron block truck engine. It's a LQ4, and made about 500-ish to the wheels. So he's back in now. We're going to go ahead and do some Valvetrain upgrades. We got an LJMS Stage 2 turbo cam here, and a set of 660 springs and some chromoly push rods, so we can upgrade the Valvetrain, make it a little stouter. We're also going to go to ARP head bolts and a set of LS9 head gaskets, just to give it a little more clamping force on the head, just to try to keep anything from lifting. So anyway, all right, well, let's go ahead and get started throwing this stuff in. Alright, so we made an attempt the other day to do the finish tuning on this thing, and we had a little issue with boost leak on the intercooler and an overheating problem. We got that lined out, and turned out the boost leak was one of the intercooler clamps was rusted and wasn't tightening down all the way. So we got that fixed and put a new clamp on it. It's making quite a bit more power than we did initially when we baselined the car with the stock 6-liter in it. It's still a stock bottom end, but the now we've added the twin turbo cam from LJMS, and also went ahead and put the new springs and push rods and all that good stuff in it, and it's doing much better. So just trying to get the timing where we want it, keeping it nice and safe. This thing's going to be on the street, and we'll keep going from here. Going to make a few more pulls, and it should get us where we want to be. Alright, so that's going to wrap up the this 4th gen Camaro project we did. Overall, all the upgrades that were made was the Stage 2 turbo cam from BTR and LJMS, the springs, push rods, all the supporting stuff to go with it. A new turbo. This is a S475, and did a great job. Can't tell you the numbers. You're gonna have to go find this car in Mexico somewhere to find out what it actually does. So, but hopefully we'll go with the owner to the track and maybe make a few passes and get some of that on film. But overall, we're very happy. We made some very impressive numbers. Overall, numbers aren't really the big issue. The main thing is just making the car safe, making it run good, and what it runs at the track will actually tell the true story of how it's running. So, but anyway, we're about finished up here, and we're going to unstrap it and send it home. Everybody, take it easy. Check us out. Subscribe on YouTube, Holmestuned, and like us on Instagram. And we'll catch you later.